Once you have configured your profile, click on the Setting Up tab. Ensure that the Your Account menu option is selected. Click on Edit. Give your account a name. Check, and if necessary, update the other details. Emails that are sent to candidates can display HR Selector's identity. Or, by selecting OU company definitions, they can instead display the appropriate organization unit's identity. If you are unsure, leave as the default, as you can always change it later. Enter the name to be used for any billing. The billing address will be assigned later. Enter a VAT number if the organization is VAT registered. Click on Save. OK. You have configured your account.